Favorite time. Is that a Filipino dish?
No, that's biryani.
Oh, piranha. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Look, fuck all.
Ooh, it's got lemongrass in it, sir.
Alright. Whakalo whaata makau. Mununi Christmas, mununi to whao. O aho nei, o aho whanau haku. Wha mufuru mataha e tau haku. Yes, up peeps, it's my birthday today. 1 year again. Not as big as last year's. Last year's was my 40th. Today is my 41 birthday. I know they looked at age, but all good. Here today, starting Kaumata Hola Ua. But mule longa tau tangata. Eiloa wai, but yep. My party starting at 2 p.m. But people, not like less than a quarter of the people are here. But if you want to come, we've got a little bit of the food. That's what my mom made. It's got some polo fua, polo tosisi, polo pulupovi, some curry, some supo, nimu te hingoa, and rice. More people coming. So today is a shared lunch. Everyone bought some food because everyone's broke. We're broke after all the Christmases.
Yep, let's do a group one. Monuena e aho whanaua hao ma John. Choo!
Fuck all it. Fuck all it. All right, that was excellent. Take two. Nah.
Come on,
Fuck
everyone,
all it.
turn around. Let's take two. Maybe one you can sit. Okay, ready? Everyone say happy birthday, John. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, John!
Happy birthday, Dad. I hope you have a great day. Best dad. And you're the best dad. Happy birthday, Dad. Thank you for being a wonderful dad. Wish you the best.
Happy birthday, Dad. Hope you have an amazing day today. Thank you for always supporting me in whatever I do, and hope you have a great wish today.
Happy birthday, Uncle John. Love you heaps. Hope you have a good day today. Hopefully the weather improves today as well. Yeah, that's all.
Are you gathering them in, John?
Yes, yes, yes.
Happy birthday, John. Lovely to know you. And we have lots of celebrations this time of the year. We see a lot of each other. And you have a lovely day and a wonderful year. You're really worthwhile.
Thank you. Thank you. Captain.
Yeah, I can't meet your load of words. But we'll catch up with you out in the ocean.
Yep. Thank you. The fish are calling.
Getting closer.
Thank you, Captain. All right. Mum, whai kupu.
Whakalawhalahi atu, John, monina e aho whanau hao, longa i tautau longa ka puake atu hea toa, ke malolo hao a sino. Happy birthday and many, many blessings to you, son.
Whai kupu.
Happy birthday, John. To the cameraman, yeah. Hope you have a good 40th birthday. Yeah. God bless you and your family.
Whakaoe, whakaoe lahi.
I mean, Granny, like, for me. Yeah, but
Josh.
I'm inside it.
Took someone good, John.
Cock good.
Happy 41st.
Yep.
Happy to be here with my little family. And can't wait to eat.
Alright, thank you.
Happy birthday, John. Thank you for having us today, and we can't wait to celebrate it with you.
Favorite time. Is that a Filipino dish?
No, that's biryani.
Oh, piranha. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Did you guys make that?
No. We made this chicken biryani.
Ooh,
But really?
biryani.
But really. Yeah.
Look, fuck all.
Ooh, it's got lemongrass in it, sir.